if you're trying to decide between Mistplay versus Freecash in 2026. This video will help you understand which app actually pays more, how each platform works, and which one makes more sense, depending on how you like earning rewards online. I'll also cover payout speed, earning methods, and a few drawbacks most comparison videos skip. Mistplay and Freecash are both popular rewards platforms, but they work very differently. Mistplay focuses mostly on mobile gaming rewards, while Freecash includes surveys, app testing, games, and offer walls. That's why people constantly search for Mistplay versus Freecash before spending time on either platform. Starting with Mistplay, the app is designed mainly for Android users who enjoy trying mobile games. You earn units by downloading and playing sponsored games over time. The longer you play eligible games, the more points you collect. One advantage is that the app feels simple and beginner-friendly. The downside is that earnings can slow down after extended gameplay, and game availability varies by user. Now, let's look at Freecash. Freecash offers more earning categories, including surveys, paid offers, and gaming tasks. Some users prefer it because there are more ways to earn rewards in one place. PayPal Cash, crypto payouts, and gift cards are also available in many regions. However, some offers may require more time or account verification before rewards are approved. So which pays more? In general, Freecash can have higher earning potential because it offers multiple reward methods beyond gaming, but Mistplay may feel easier and more relaxed for casual users who simply want to play games without constantly switching tasks. One important thing to remember is that neither platform should be treated like guaranteed income. Rewards depend on location, available offers, activity level, and how consistently you use the apps. Results vary for every user. Overall, Mistplay is best while for casual mobile is better gamers for users who want more earning options and flexible payout methods. Both can be worth trying depending on your preferences. If you've tested Mistplay or Freecash in 2026, share your experience in the comments below. And if you want more honest reward, app comparisons, and tutorials, feel free to subscribe.